In this video, I want to talk about modifying your selections with the grow and similar commands. Now, what these do, kind of in a nutshell, is give you access to the algorithm that drives the magic wand tool, but allowing you to do it through a selection that already exists. So, for instance, if I get out the magic wand tool, the settings that are in here for tolerance and so forth, or actually really just the tolerance factor, they are what are going to drive your grow and similar selections. And just as a reminder, if you need to remember how the magic wand tool works, if I just click out here in space, you'll see that I have this area of blue pixels selected. That's based on the tolerance value and based off the fact that I've chosen contiguous pixels. So it's only going to grab pixels outward from where I clicked until the difference is greater than the tolerance, and then it's going to stop. If I turn off contiguous, it's going to grab all pixels in the image that fall within that tolerance value, and it's not going to worry about the fact that they are actually connected to one another. Now, why is that important to remember that? Well, that's exactly how grow and similar work. If I just make a regular marquee selection anywhere out here in space and I go under select and hit grow, that's the same as using the magic wand tool with contiguous set to on and clicking in that area or clicking in all of those pixels, basically. However, if I deselect, make another marquee selection, and I go under select and choose similar, that's the same as going under the magic wand tool and switching off contiguous and selecting all those pixels. So basically, every pixel that was in some way within the tolerance value of my original marquee selection will be selected across the entire image. It's pretty quick and easy, but unfortunately, the names themselves, to me, they're not the most descriptive out there. I thought it'd be nice, maybe select contiguous within range, but I realize they're trying to keep the names pretty small. So again, grow is going to be contiguous pixels that are within the tolerance values set by the magic wand tool. Similar is just going to be all pixels across the entire document that are within the tolerance values established within the magic wand tool. Just remember, you've got to go into magic wand and change the tolerance values in there in order to affect the grow and similar commands. That will wrap things up for this video. Thanks a lot.